so I'm back with another video for you guys. If you're a returning subscriber, make sure you like and comment on this video. If you are new to the Tosley channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, all right, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make my lip gloss. So I already set up. I'm about to show you guys how I set up, and then we just gonna get right into it. We have gloves, paper towels, measuring cups, spoons, pipettes, oils, my Versa gel, popsicle sticks, bowls, my empty lip gloss tubes that I will be filling today, the tops that go to the tubes, so I'm doing gold and silver tops. Then we have the syringes that I'll be using, so I'll be making a pink glitter and a silver glitter, so I only need 2 syringes, and I already attached the pipettes to the syringes as well. So right here I'm writing down my notes. So I just put the Versa gel into my bowls with that spoon right there. You guys, I'm such a perfectionist. Like, did you just see how I just like move the bowls so that they're perfectly like aligned to each other? Like, I cannot with myself. But anyways, so next we're gonna take the measuring cups and we're gonna go ahead and put my coconut oil and grapeseed oil into the 1/4 cup, which I don't fill up all the way. I literally just eye it and I pour it into the Versa gel. Like, I know how much of each that I put in there. It's not a whole 1/4 because that would be like literally too much. I just have to find like a measuring tool that's like perfect, but for now I use my 1/4 and I don't fill it all the way up. So next is the flavoring oil. That is the Starburst flavoring oil that I'm going to use for these 2 glosses. And again, I write everything down. So I was going to use the 1/4, but that was just entirely too much. So I'm going to go ahead and use the spoon. Okay, so I'm just putting how many I put into each container. So the first time you guys saw me writing, I was just writing that I'm using the plastic spoon instead of the measuring cup. And then I just wrote down how many I actually put into each container. Next, we're gonna take our glitter. So the first one is the pink one. Okay, so with the glitter, I'm going to use the plastic spoon as well. Next, we're going to get our popsicle sticks and we're gonna go ahead and start stirring it up. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Hey, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Hey. So this is what it looks like once everything is all stirred up. All right, so I did decide to put more glitter into the bases because I didn't like the way that it looked. It was like too light for me. Ooh, child. My hands hurt. Hey babes, so I did take off my gloves because they're like really oily, sticky, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put on a new pair of gloves. Like this Versagel and like the glitter is really messy, so I'm gonna change my gloves before I start filling my syringes up. So we're gonna go ahead and start scooping the Versagel into the syringes. I already put the pipettes at the ends of the syringe already. So what you would do with the pipettes, you would cut off half of the bubble part and then cut off the tip part so that it'll be easier for you to squeeze it through your lip gloss tubes. And then you'll just slide it onto the end part of the syringe. Some people like to put tape at the end, but I'm usually okay. It doesn't slide off or anything, so I just like push it onto the syringe like really tight so that it's like secured. All right, so now that we are done filling the syringe, we're gonna go ahead and put the top on. So you're just gonna put it like not all the way in, because then you'll just push out all of your base. You're gonna make sure there's like no air in your tube. So I'm gonna go ahead and start filling my first tube up. So I'm gonna try to show you guys, but like my hands have oil on it and the syringe is very hard to push through this product, but I'm gonna try to definitely show you guys. So it did get a little bit easier after I did the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up all of my silver tubes. Do the same thing for both colors. So the tube is gonna run out of base, so you'll just refill it and go ahead and fill up your tube. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my silver and then I'll start the pink right after. Oh, and you guys will see me changing my gloves again because like I said, it gets very messy. So I do go ahead and, you know, put on a new set of gloves. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and finish filling up the silver and then we're gonna move on to the pink. Okay, so this one did have some air bubbles in it. So you guys can see like right here, I'm gonna go ahead and like push some of the product out. That way the air bubble will be gone before I start filling up my tubes.
Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment for more content coming up soon from the one and only This Main Channel. You gotta do a great YouTube channel. YouTube, you know what they do. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You already know it's your boy. It's your girl.
Boy. So I was just rudely interrupted, but back to our scheduled program. So what I had in my hand was the tops for the lip gloss tubes. So all you're gonna do is just put the tops onto your tubes and then you're basically done. So after I put my tops on, I usually wipe around the mouth, you know, make sure it's nice and clean. And then I put my tops on and then I go ahead and clean my tubes to get all of the lip gloss, the oils off of the tubes because it's really oily.
Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a loop now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no.
Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them I give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no.
Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
yeah, bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad
man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad man.
Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I finally got out the house. I'm about to be on my way to the plantation now. So yeah, we're running a little bit late, but it's fine. I'm over here. So yeah, we're about to be on our way to the plantation. I'm gonna have my aunt drop off the package while I am at work. So yeah, you guys have a good day. Don't let nobody steal your energy, your good energy, your joy, your peace. All right, y'all have a good day.
Calm down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a loop now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class. No, 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 no.
Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow, say the
Oh my gosh, I look so angry. I'm not angry. I'm just tired and I hate my job. But so that was my scale. So basically filling up the 8-ounce bags is literally the same thing as filling your lip gloss tubes, but you're just gonna fill up the 8-ounce bag. And it's a lot of like refilling of the syringe because the bag obviously is bigger than your tubes. So you just have to constantly refill your syringe, but it's literally the same process. You know, do your VersaGel, mix your VersaGel up, and then you're just literally just filling up your bags.